In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Stripe account in test mode. This is your complete guide for 2025, and we'll walk through each step, ensuring the process is as smooth as possible. Whether you are testing out your e-commerce setup or just getting familiar with Stripe's functionalities, having your account in test mode is essential. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Stripe website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. Here, you'll be introduced to Stripe's homepage, which highlights their robust financial infrastructure, designed to help grow your revenue. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with their offerings, but for now, our focus is on getting your account ready for testing purposes. Now, let's get logged into your Stripe account. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you should find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to head over to the Stripe Home section. You can find this by clicking on the Stripe logo or navigating through the menu options. The Stripe Home is essentially your command center, where you can track the flow of payments and manage your account. Now, for us to enable the test mode, we need to access some settings. Locate your profile name on the top right corner of the dashboard and give it a click. This leads you to your account settings where we can make the necessary changes. Within your settings, there's an option labeled Switch to Sandbox. This is a key step in setting up your test environment, so make sure to click on it. The Sandbox environment is a separate setup where you can simulate real transactions without any risk. It's perfect for analyzing how your payment integration will work in real time without using actual money. Once Sandbox mode is activated, the next thing to do is click on Test mode. This option will fully transition your Stripe account into a testing environment. You'll notice some changes on your dashboard, indicating that you're now operating in a safe zone for testing transactions. And there you have it. Your Stripe account is now set up in test mode. You can begin to process pretend transactions and ensure everything's running smoothly before going live. Remember, this setup provides a safe space to troubleshoot any issues that may arise, giving you confidence when you finally launch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our other guides for more step-by-step instructions. Happy testing!